Now that we have made all of these instant mac and cheeses, it's time to make the real deal. Hello everyone and welcome back to Griffin Madness. In today's video we are making mac and cheese. To make this mac and cheese you will need a pot with water, bring it up to boiling point and add salt. Right after, add your macaroni and let them boil until they are finished and soft. Drain the water and set the mac aside for now. Into an empty pot, add the milk and warm it up. Add the red cheddar cheese and start stirring them together until the cheese have completely melted. Then add in the mac and mix it all together. If it looks horrible, just keep on stirring until all the cheese have melted. At the end, add in the grated Parmesan and stir together until it looks all nice and creamy. If it sticks a little bit, just add in some splashes of milk, and if it's too runny, just add in some more cheese. And there you go, a super simple homemade mac and cheese. It doesn't get more simple than this. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you guys in another video tomorrow. Bye!